On PickaForm, the forms are customizable. By clicking on Edit Form, the list of field categories appears on the left. Drag a field into your form where you want to insert it. A window appears that allows you to define this field. Give it a name. Note that a field name can only be used once in the same form. The tabs in the window allow you to adjust different options, such as the size of the field. The preview, at the bottom, adapts automatically. When you are satisfied with the result, click OK. The field is now available in your form. To edit or delete a field, click on it with the right button of your mouse. Once your form is completed, go to the Save and Exit button. That's it, your form is ready for use. In our example, the comments field is now active.